Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this pattern and asked, how do you draw it? I looked at it first and I saw a bunch of circles. And then I looked at it again and I saw a bunch of four-sided diamonds. Two ways to draw this. Let's set our nudge factor on like 2 inches. And let's draw a 2-inch circle. And because our nudge factor is set on 2 inches, here's the first way I would do it. And because it's round, we can just go downhill. And let's take a 2-point line and have it go to the quadrant, hit the plus key, put it over there, make a duplicate, rotate it 90 degrees, and put it in that quadrant, hit the plus key, and I could actually nudge it down 2 inches, and then take your virtual segment delete key and delete that, delete that, delete that, delete that. Of course, I want to delete all these lines. And then take this box away. It's going to be hard to grab it. Well, it's not a box, it's a bunch of lines. And I could have maybe saved this trouble by grouping this together. And hopefully fill it in, but no, we're going to fill in the blue. So this is filled in with like a brown. So let's just take the Smart Fill tool, and if we don't have any leaks, of course you'd match the color. But I actually think there's an easier way to do this than having to do this. So do you see circles or do you see a four-sided star? And then once we take away the outline, let's put a gray border around it. Object, order, back a page. And of course, if I would have used the same color, that's the identical deal. But let's do it another way. So first, take a 2-inch circle, nudge it over, grab these two, make a duplicate, nudge them down, and look at this. That is also a 2-inch item because they're hairlines and they go right to the point. Let's actually make it that color first. Let's take we could use the Smart Fill tool and use the eyedropper. Take a sample of that color. He didn't maybe think it needed that color. And then just Control D and move it over many times as you wanted. Control D and move it down. Put a gray border around it. And look at that. And then that way you could change the colors. You know, you could go here and let's make them all red. I still see the circles, but you look at the diamonds. I mean, I don't know what you would actually call that shape. That would be the lot easier way to do it, especially for like filling in. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.